Good morning, stage 3. It's Mrs. Killick here, just going through our day and our new pack with you today. So you should have pack 4 now. So yesterday we had our return and collect time at school. So you would have returned pack 3 and you're starting on pack 4. Everything you need for this week is in pack 4. So make sure you have that if you haven't already collected that from school. The first thing you find in your pack is your Learning from Home Round 4 booklet, and that starts off with a letter in the front from Miss Strayhorn. So that's for your parents to check that out. And then each day we have got our timetable. This is the key thing that you need to be remembering there, is looking at the timetable every day. And as you go through that pack, you'll see that, that then you have got your reading log, and then you've got some activities broken up into the different days, which is also based on this timetable. So for today, check out our Teams page. That's first place to go. Check out our Teams page, listen to our devotion this morning. Then you have got your spelling. So Unit 15 on spelling. Some people have got a spelling book that looks like this. That's if you're in Mrs. Bruce's spelling class. You can go on with the activities in that today, as well as the spelling that you're doing from in the other spelling pack. And some people have got a book that looks like this for their spelling. So that is what you'll be doing for the week. The next thing that you have got there is your maths. Let's have a look back at our timetable. Sorry, English Stars is next. Mrs. Taylor will be able to give you an explanation of that activity, so check that out on Teams, please. If you have completed some of the English Stars activities already in your English Stars book, you'll need to go back over that and Mrs. Taylor will explain that to you. There's an extension task there to go onto Pobble 365 and the link is on Teams. Don't forget you should be reading for at least 20 minutes every day, and you have your reading log in your booklet. Okay, down to maths. Please make sure that you do your maths warm-up. That's for everyone. Then you can be watching the maths instructional video. It's essential that you watch these videos. Don't skip over that part. There are activities that you need to complete within those videos, so you need to do those. Year 5, lesson 9.7. After you have finished that lesson, please complete Checkup 1, which is in your assessment booklet in your new Pack 4. Year 6, lesson 9.9, don't forget to watch the instructional video first. Or you may have alternate printed pages if you are in Year 6, that will be in your pack. Today we have our Teams meeting at 11 o'clock for 5-6KT and at 12 o'clock for 5-6K. If some of your booklets may have the team written on Wednesday, we apologise for that. It's meant to be on Tuesday. So our Teams meeting is Tuesday and Thursday this week. There is a science activity for you to do. On our Teams page, there are links for that activity, as well as some help with what is written down in this instruction, as well as check out what is in the booklet. That's where the information is. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're really happy to help you, and we'll see you on Teams later today. Bye.